Hey guys, welcome back. Well, 2020 has certainly been the year of the SPAC, the Special Purchase Acquisitions Corporation. Today I'm going to talk to you about XL Fleet and a merger that is about to take place with Pivotal Investment Corporation. The merger is going to be completed by the end of 2020 and this fourth quarter of 2020, so it should be coming up soon. Well, what does XL do? Well, it seems like a lot of these SPACs have been involved with either electric vehicles or somehow making vehicles more efficient, and certainly that's one that XL Fleet is doing. They essentially take your commercial vehicle, like your Ford F-150 or your ambulance or your moving van or you name it, an airport trying to do commercially, XL Hybrid and XL Plug-in are the ways that XL Fleet does this. So they can either turn your vehicle into a hybrid vehicle, or they can also kind of amp that up by not only making it a hybrid, but making it so that you can plug it in and charge your battery as well. What does that do for you? Well, they say that it can reduce your fuel consumption by about 20% with the hybrid, and even more so with the XL plug-in, up to like 50% increase in your miles per gallon. All that while reducing the CO2 that is being produced and therefore helping our planet. Well, what makes XL special? They have a proprietary powertrain that they have developed, and they can install this under your existing vehicle. Now, they don't take out your internal combustion engine at all. What they do is they drivetrain be more efficient. Similar to the way that a hybrid vehicle works, every time you're braking, you are recharging a battery, and then that battery can then help power this additional drivetrain boost that they install. Is this technology in use? Well, yes, it is. You can see here some of the fleet vehicles that they can work on, Ford and GM and Isuzu. You can see some of their customers, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, FedEx, Verizon. Here are some of the vehicles that they can modify for you. You can see that currently they can do the hybrid on a wide range of vehicles. The XL plug-in is not only currently available on that Ford F-150, as you can see, but you can also see that they have a number of other vehicles in development. You can see here from this graphic that they have quite an aggressive revenue forecast. Looking at 2020, it's a pittance. It's far less than 200 million. But by 2024, look at that growth, more than 10 times. Here's how their orders have been growing. 234 in 2018. We move over to 2020, and they've got 1,100. And you can also see there some more of their customers. How's the company doing financially? Well, you can see for 2019, their revenue was 7.2 million. They're estimating 21 million for this year, for a nice 192% growth rate. And for next year, 75.3 million for another 258% growth rate. We can also see that their gross profit this year is expected to be 2.4 million, and they're actually expected to start making money by the year 2022. How about their valuation? Well, you can see here a number of their competitors, or at least companies that are in the same category. And compared to, say, Nikola or Tesla or Workhorse, you can see that their evaluation based on their revenue is at 1.7 times for 2023, so that's a little bit forward-looking. Compare that to their competitors, and you can see that their valuation is significantly better. Take that also based on their evaluation after amortization and depreciation, etc., and you can see that they're at 9.3 times versus Workhorse, which is at 53.6, and Tesla 35.2. So still significantly better on their valuation versus their competitors. Here's how Pivotal Investment Corp stock price is doing. Now, that's the company that will be merging with XL, Pivotal Investment Corp. The ticker symbol is PIC. And, most of these SPACs open up about $10. And you can see that theirs opened up right there around $10. It shot up for a little bit up to close to $13 in October, and then took a nice dip down. it's starting on its way up a little bit. I have purchased some of this stock. It's fairly inexpensive, and if I don't make much money on it, well, that's okay. But potentially, who knows what it'll go to. I purchased some Neo stock, and it's gone up very nicely, and I'm seeing a nice return on my investment there. And I'm hopeful that XL Energy will be similar. As always, do your homework. I did, and I anticipate that I'll probably be buying some more as well. Now, if you like this video, if you think that it offered you some good information, then please don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up. And if you like, go ahead and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more of our short videos where we highlight a number of stocks that we're interested in or that we think have significant growth and upside.